Hey, good morning. Eric Mercado with Machinery Partner with Gabriel Montalvo with MG Construction today. He's one of our customers, has the 1910 art crusher. Tell us a little bit about what you do.
So I usually do more of construction, new installation on houses, fireplaces, fire pit, hardscape, retaining walls, all the kind of stuff. So the main idea to buy this machine was for the recycling all the material, all the wasting I have from the jobs. So I use look on the internet and find the company professional with the service. They send me all the info what I need. Once I call you guys, they respond right away. They send me emails or call me back. They help me all with the support. We have a good experience with. I crush all my wasting. I crush granite, stone, concrete, brick. You can get maybe 10 tons per hour. So on the concrete, on the granite, on the brick is a little bit more faster. It's all depending what size you put it. If you put a big sizes, it's gonna be a little slow. But if you put a medium size on the crusher, it crushes pretty fast. Machine's still working pretty good. So if you guys decide to buy a machine, this is a good machine. I recommend it very well. This machine, mainly for the small business. If you want to grow up, maybe a bigger one, but this is perfect machine for me now. I'm mining rock at Tennessee, Whitwell, Tennessee, and there I spray the big boulders to get the ashlar, the square stone. So once I have a wasting there, I can put all the wasting on the machine, and that stone is not really hard, so you can get maybe 14 tons per hour. Pretty good stuff. But nice rock, and I use that one also for base, so good experience.